Hello everyone. So today we will be doing a very quick trick of finding the square of a number whose unit digit ends with 5. So without wasting any time, let's hop in. So basically I have written two questions over here, that is 55 square and 15 square. So what we need to do is, first of all, one is the unit digit. Just a second, let me take a pen. First is the unit digit and one is the tens digit, right? So what we need to do is we need to separate the unit digits and the 10 digits separate accordingly, right? So we have separated the unit digit, that is 5. What we need to do is multiply 5 by 5, that is multiply the number by itself, that is the unit digit, that is 5 into 5 is 25. And now separate the tens digit. What we need to do with the tens digit is take the number, in this case which is 5, multiply by the number itself like we did with this one, and add 1 before multiplying. So basically what I mean by this is, that is take 5 multiply by 5 plus 1, which is bracket, that means 6. 5 into 6, that is 30. By solving this we got 30, and 5 into 5 is 25, we got 25. Now what we will do with these two numbers, we will simply combine these numbers and get the result. So basically 55 whole power 2 is equals to 3025. Isn't it easy, right? So now we'll be moving to question number second. The same is the case, that we have 5 as the unit digit, and now we'll be squaring 15. So basically we did the same with this too. We took the unit digit separately, we took the tens digit separately. We multiplied the unit digit with the same, that is by the number itself, 5 into 5, which is 25. And in the case of the tens digit, we took 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 1 into 2 is, what we got is 2. 5 into 5, what we got is 25. Now to get the result, what we will simply do is, we will simply combine these two numbers and get our result, which is 225. But one note of precaution is that this trick will only work when the unit digit is 5. So this is to keep in mind while solving or while squaring any numbers, that this particular trick will only work when the unit digit is 5. So thank you. Have a nice day.